ratio question. Ratio will come up at least more than once over your 3 papers. That's guaranteed. Now, a road has 3 sections, D, E, and F, and they've given you D to E and E to F. You should notice that actually they gave you the ratios in pieces, but E appears in both. What fraction of the length of the road of this is section D? Now, if you had this, which is 2, 3, 5, you could have said D is 2 out of 10. But they've not done it as easy as that. They gave you the the ratios in 2 different ways. One is here and one is here. And I want to show you a technique. They're beginning to do this more and more, how you can do this when you have something that appears in both ratios. So what you do is this. So we know D to E is 3 to 5. And we know E to F is, notice I put it underneath. This mechanism will allow you to have a ratio which has all 3 in one go. So we can see we have 5 and we have 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So there you go, that's your common ratio. Now ask yourself, what did you do with the 5 to get to 35? You must have times it by 7. So you must multiply 3 by 7. There you go. Whatever you do to one ratio, you must do to the other to get to your common ratio. Then ask yourself, what did you do with the 7 to get to 35? You times it by 5. Therefore, you must multiply 4 by 5. And that was the key. Now you have all 3 in one ratio. D is 21 and the total is 76, and that's your answer. But do recognize this step of writing the ratio on top of each other and using a common ratio to answer any questions like this.